So hello my wonderful audience. How you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary, and today I'm gonna be restocking my son's school bag. School is officially opening tomorrow, and the kids are all excited going back to school tomorrow. So I just got the school supply list. I just got out of my school supply, so I'm gonna be restocking or arranging the stuff in my son's bag. Yeah. So if you want to know what class my son in, if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you what class my son in. So we'll first start by showing. I think he already started packing his lunch bag. So we'll first start by showing the water bottle. This is the water bottle right here. The water bottle, you can lock this water bottle. When you put it like this, it's locked. It don't open. So if you open it like this, is locked. If you press this button, it don't open. But if you unlock it like this and press this button, how you open it? Oh, okay. So it's unlocked. Just press the button really hard. Okay, just like that. It's locked. Okay, let me lock it for him. It's locked. This water bottle is locked. And he loves this water bottle right here. This is a fairy color. And we got some lunch bags here. Let's check in the lunch bags and see what we got in here. Let's see what we got in here. Oops. So he got a lunch box, but I'm not ready to prepare any lunch tonight. So he's gonna carry snacks tomorrow. Since tomorrow is the first day of school, he's just gonna carry snacks. Hopefully, I'm gonna make lunch for him after tomorrow when he comes back from school. Yeah, he got Pop-Tarts in here. This is Pop-Tarts. He got snacks in here. He got this right here. He got this and the other thing right here. Yep, so that's it. So let's see what we got in the book bag here. Yeah, this is the lunch bag. So that lunch bag, we have a lunch box for this lunch bag. But because he's not carrying lunch, he just carrying snacks, so he's not gonna carry the lunch box. Okay, this is just the bag. So my favorite part is the bag and the lunch box and the water bottle. All of them almost the same color. This is the lunch bag right here. Yeah, he got all of the favorite character he wants. All of his favorite character on this lunch bag right here. Yep. He called it what? Fortnite. Yeah, I think it's a game. I hear you talking about Fortnite. Do you play Fortnite? Do you play Fortnite? So I think this is Fortnite right here. And let's check in the bag, y'all. Let's check in the bag. And he got his shoes right here. If you have not watched my previous video, I showed the shoes to you guys. This is Jordan. Very expensive. Yeah. This is Jordan right here. So much expensive. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys what we got in the bag right here. Yeah. Let's check in the bag. Right here, we're gonna do step by step. First thing first. Oh my goodness. Maybe if we do it like this, it's gonna be fun. What do you guys think? Okay. So we are ready for school tomorrow. He got his they know their names though. They know their names. But he got this right here. Maybe it's far. Yeah, in Africa we used to call this portfolio or far. Yeah, during my days when I was going to school, we used to call this portfolio. Yeah. Wow, during my days, if you carry this to school, you're a big girl though. Yeah, you're really a big girl. And then we have some books in here. We have some books in here. We have this one particular for math. This one I think is for my for geography or something. Yeah, but this is all got in here. He knows what all this stuff for. Yep. We got a few books in here. One subject book. He already packed his stuff. I don't know. I just wanted to double check. I hope I'm doing it right. And I hope I don't get in trouble with him though. I hope I don't get in trouble with him. In here he got his 5 different colors. We get 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 on 2. Okay, I don't want to get in trouble with him, so I'm just gonna arrange it and put it back and open the other one. Okay, yeah guys, I don't want to say, Mom, why did you open my bag? Yeah, but guys, tomorrow the kids are officially going back to school, y'all. Yeah, so we don't have nothing in the lunch box, so we took the lunch box off. We're just going to use the lunch bag until we have lunch ready for the box. Okay, then let's check right in here. Okay, we got some pencil case right in here. Some book. K to 12 planning guide. Oh, this is nice though. I'm gonna see this K to 12 planning guide. Okay, I'm gonna see it. Guys, this book there is really heavy, y'all. And we have some pencil case right in here. In this pencil case, we have a highlighter, eraser, pen eraser, glue stick, Sharpie, sharpener, glue, and everything in here. Yeah. Yeah. And we still have a lot of things in here. We have Sharpies or whatever it is. Got this right. We have crayons right in here. Crayons and a lot of stuff in here. So I don't want you to forget his water bottle. I'm just gonna be putting. Oh, okay. What I like about these book bags, they have pocket on the side. These book bags have pocket on the side, and it's very much expensive. I'm not sure if he wants me to get this out of the bag, but if you want me, I'll really be glad to do that for him. I'm not sure if you want me to take this out. Yeah, but the bag is very much expensive though. We paid $70 for it. $70, but it's very expensive. Yeah. Oh, I almost forgot about this. Yeah guys, so before I go, I would like to introduce myself to you guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. In today's video, I just restocking or packing my son bag for school. School is officially opening tomorrow, and the kids are all excited to go back to school tomorrow. And myself, I've been on a mini vacation, and I'll be going back to work tomorrow too. We all going back together. So shout out to all of you guys. Please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. I'm from West Africa, Liberia, a mother of 2, boy and girl. On this channel, we do just a little bit of everything. This channel is family friendly. We do cooking, we do product review, we do fitness, and the list go on, y'all. Do just a little bit of everything. Yep, y'all. So please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel. Support your single mom, okay? So our goal is to hit 10K subscribers, but not limited, by the end of this year. As of now, from the time I'm making the video, I have 8.4K subscribers, hoping to hit 10K subscribers by the end of this year. So yeah, thanks to all of you guys. Thank you so much, and one love from my end. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, the kids gonna be back to school tomorrow officially. Yeah, myself, I've been on a mini vacation. I'm going back to work tomorrow, so I can't wait, y'all. I can't wait to go back to school, y'all. Love you all so much. So, before I go, let me try my glasses on, y'all. Guys, I want to try glasses on tomorrow. I'm taking the kids to school. Taking the kids to school tomorrow. I don't know. Guys, how do I look? So bye, y'all. I don't want to make the video so long. Bye, guys. Bye.